Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, compass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.